You may be under attack, but you are still under God's covering. You may be tired right now, but you are still under God's covering. You may not be at your best right now, but you are still under God's covering. Your security is not based on how strong you are. Your security is based on how strong your God is. How big your God is. How powerful your God is. Can we give up a shout of praise to a God who is strong and mighty? Pero hindi porket covered ka, wala ng pressure. Hindi porket covered ka, wala ng challenge. Hindi porket may payong ka, hihinto yung ulan. Hindi porket insured ka, hindi ka na mamamatay. So hindi mapipigilan ng covering ang ulan, pero mababawasan ng covering yung impact ng ulan. So when you're covered, hindi ibig sabihin mawawalan ka ng pagsubok. When you are covered, hindi ibig sabihin wala ng atake. After all, the Bible says, the weapons will be formed. So there's no doubt. Hindi sinabi ng Bible, hindi makakapurma ang kaaway. Makakapurma, pero hindi magsasucceed. Kaya pala sabi ng Bible, yung faith sa armor of God is a shield. Remember? Shield of faith. Because when you have faith, you're covered. Pero hindi porket may faith ka, wala ng challenges. Pero kapag may faith ka, yung penetration ng challenges, mahina.